how to create a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. First, we are going to start off by hitting blank presentation at the top. Next, we are going to add our title into the top box on our already existing slide. Next, we are going to add our name in the smaller box down below. To add a design, click on the Designer button at the top and scroll through and pick your favorite design. Next, to add a new slide, click on Insert and the down arrow right next to New Slide. Click on Title and Content. Add your content into the slide and your title. Once you are satisfied with your content, add a picture. To add a picture, you want to stay on the Insert tab at the top, and then you want to click on the down arrow next to Pictures. You can pick pictures from your computer, stock images, or images on the web, or images from your mobile device. For this purpose, I am going to pick a picture from my computer. So I'm going to make sure I'm on desktop, and I'm going to scroll through and find a picture. Once you find a picture you are satisfied with, hit Open at the bottom. You can resize your photo using these small circles surrounding your picture, and you can move your picture wherever you like, clicking and holding on it while the box is around the picture. Once you are happy with the placement and size of your picture, you can click out of the picture. Next, to add a background color, you want to hit the Design button at the top, and then you want to hit on the down arrow next to Background. Next, you want to hit the arrow next to Solid Fill and choose your desired color. Once you have chosen your desired color, you can add a design like you did with the first slide and pick whichever design you would like and fits the content the best. Next, continue adding slides and designing them until you are happy with your content by using the Insert New Slide button. Once you are happy with your presentation, hit the down arrow next to the Present button. Click Start from Beginning. Now you can use your arrows on your keyboard to go through your presentation. Once your presentation is done, you can click and it'll be done presenting. Now you know how to create a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation.